Hello, you watching Bossy Queen, Watermelon Andrea, and
these niggas should've went to sleep.
Okay, our first prank of the night is, nigga, since you like candy cane so much, try it up your nose. Dum dum. Here we go. Try this for the last time. Break it. Here we go. Okay, we done. Eating them candy canes in the morning. Alright, so let's slap that miracle up in that face. You eat that miracle whip, nigga. Nigga should have ate that miracle whip. Let's see how you like this. Oh yeah, is it good? Is it good, brother? Go get some pepper. Go get some pepper. Don't spit it out, wait. You know, like my cat. There you go. How you like them apples? This nigga shouldn't have went to sleep. And this one is called Decorate Your Face. Come on now. Don't forget, I'm on Quick. I'm Watermelon Andrea, and this is Nigga You Shoulda Went to Sleep show. Stay tuned for next.